4,000 watch hours. What's up, guys? Welcome to my Preach Girl with another video. I was actually not planning on recording, but I just woke up. I did my 12.5-hour shift. I just woke up at like 2 p.m. It's now like 3 something, I don't know. And as soon as I opened my eyes, I got an email from Google Gmail saying that I got my 4,000 watch hours. Thank you, guys. Y'all, so I was on my way to the furniture store anyways, Nebraska. Y'all, they pushed back my couch till December. It was supposed to be coming in October. First it was August, then it was this October, and I said, all right, I'm gonna let it slide. Y'all have to take off a couple hundred. They said, okay. I got email yesterday saying it's not coming till December. Oh baby, I don't want that couch no more. I don't want it no more. Cause I'm stuck with this ugly couch, not until December because I can't decorate. Gotta get out. So I'm on my way to Nebraska. Like, I'm gonna go pick something out that I can get this week. But y'all, okay, wait, sit. I made it to YouTube. Y'all, I did it. I think I've been on YouTube for like 2 years. And I'm just like, forget it. I'm not gonna look at it anymore. I'm just posting because I want to. And then I got this and I said, yeah, bitch, I'm gonna care now. I care now. Okay, anyways, let's go, because it's decent outside. It's not too hot. Well, I'm talking about the sun. I'm sure it is hot. So you know what? Let me go ahead and head out while I can. And I'm going to this shoe store, and it's called $6.99. Y'all, everything that you buy on Shein or would order for expensive is there for the cheap. So I'm gonna check it out. Maybe I'll show y'all. I don't know. I probably will though, cause y'all know I don't gatekeep. 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 Y'all know I don't get. All right, let's go. Every heartbreak has its season. It ain't always summer in June. Know they're gonna be so tired of seeing me here, but I can't lie, I be coming up in here to flirt too. There's a worker, little country so he's so cute, and he be flirting back. Let's see if he's here, but hopefully this is the last trip, you know what I'm saying? I'm lying, it won't be, because I actually like them more than I like IKEA until I want some accent chairs and stuff. Anyways, it's hot. So I'm also interested in plants because I have some already. But I don't know, because I want a lot of them. This place is nice. I've already seen some of y'all, my subscribers, my friends. Y'all already been, because I see it on y'all story. Y'all mess with my videos for real. But yeah, oh, look at all this. Oh, a lot of colors. So when I got my bed, I don't know what they did in the moving truck, but there was the middle, I kept like falling into the middle type thing. I don't like it, but I must say my bed is very comfortable. So I'm going to replace they're gonna send me a new one, but like the same thing. I was just, and it's new. They're just gonna make sure that it don't get damaged in the process. So, I don't even remember what the cute guy's name was, but it's a few of them here. All right, guys, I know you see me in something different, period. It's the next day. Yesterday, I got stuck at the furniture store, so it's the next day. I'm here with my friend, and now I'm at the shoe place. It's $6.99. All shoes $6.99. All right, so let's see what they got. It's supposed to be cute. Oh, they are. I can already see them. So let's go. I don't have a mask. Ooh, girl, I'm already seeing stuff. Yes, ma'am. I hope, I'm going to get these, and I'm trying not to look anymore. Ignore my mask being flipped, but I don't want to spend no more money. I think I'm already at like 120. Rent's coming up. Damn. All right, guys, I'm back. I came back to Shoe Deal. I was about to upload my video yesterday, but I decided I was coming back today, and my friend is here. So this location is actually closer to me by 25 minutes. It's 25 minutes away from me, and the one I went to was in Arlington. So let me show you what this one looks like, and I'm gonna upload some photos of me in the shoes that I've already worn. I love them. Okay. Thank you. Okay, this one has clothes. Uh-oh. She's walking away with some things, guys. There it goes. I only got 2 things.